Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Aminata, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, today is going to be my last day in school. We are finished. We will be done with school today. Yes, and today I have only English class, so and I'm really late for class right now. If you look up, you see I'm really I have class by 11 and it's almost 11 right now. I have to take the bus and be on campus, and I have to go to Sephora and get some facial stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm very sorry I don't have enough time right now to talk because I'm going to be late for class. So let's go. See you on campus. Out of the bus and I'm wanting to go on campus. Then I'm wanting to go on campus. Yeah. So yeah.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off. Cut the show.
I don't even know what to say. The weather is giving. I don't know. The weather is giving. She's giving like I'm good. Like it's good though. Anyways, guys, I just noticed this thing on my sweater. So sorry about that.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
I think it's the deodorant. I don't know. Don't come for me for that, please. But yeah. There is. I don't know. Good morning. Can I come in?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
So we have English class. I'm in English class right now. So they always they are not here. So I'm the only one in class right now. Yeah, serious student. Yeah.
Je te laisse dans la salle, je prends pas mes affaires, je vais juste aux toilettes.
D'accord.
Je surveille qu'on pique pas toutes mes affaires.
So yeah. Big yeah. Oh, serious student. Yeah, I'm not saying the rest they are not serious, but And yeah, it's not even time yet. But I have to, but yeah, guys. I'm the only one in class right now, so I don't even know what we are doing today. Like, today is the last day of school. Today is the last day for us, like, for we. We have to, like, play music, play music. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, yeah. This will help in work. I have where is she? In the bathroom. Okay. I have some English notebook. English book. This, some
And I, oh, want a piece? Or no? Here you go.
enough talking. Pew. Bye. Bye bye. See you next year, madam.
See you next year.
Bye bye. I'll be.
Bye.
You too. Yeah, guys. So finally, and it has come to an end. So yeah, I'm done right now to go at Sephora. Like I said earlier, I want to go at Sephora and get some stuff. And in Sephora, there's some more in store there. I want to get some. I want to bask there and go get something. Basically, get something. So yeah, guys. So yeah, I'm going to go to Sephora right now. At the mall. I'm going to go to. Merci. Anyway, guys, so I don't know why I'm feeling shy of something like. But yeah, I don't know why I'm feeling shy. But I'm feeling shy. I'm going to buy some sunscreen and some stuff. I don't know that. I've never seen that before, but it's so good. Anyway, look at me like, I have some videos to edit on TikTok as well. So if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you follow me on TikTok. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, we ended the video at after stuff. Sephora, when they ended the video and came home, ate, I went to sleep.
Woo! I'm going through it, bitch. I'm losing my motherfucking medulla.
Basically, so yeah, I got some few stuff from so yeah, guys, I got some some few stuff from Sephora. But before we get into that, I wanted to say something for those that won't understand the video at the beginning. And thank you for watching the video if you are still here. For those that won't understand the video at the beginning, so basically the video is about my last day for internship, my last day of pre-high school. So yeah, I just wanted to go and buy some things that I don't have, but unfortunately I couldn't because I was so tired that I couldn't get all I wanted to go. So yeah. So I bought some things from one thing at Sephora, honestly. That's why I don't know why I have this big bag. I don't know why I have this. Yeah. Because I only got one pimple patch at Sephora. Yeah. Only buy one thing, which is pimple patch. Look at that pimple patch. Anyways, it's a Peace Out early stage spot patches, and I already put it. I already open it. Yeah, it's 8, by the way. It's 8 pieces. I already put on 3. It's 5 in here. The remaining 5 for $20.
What?
For $20, guys. For $20. Yeah. I got some vitamin C because I don't really have appetite this past week. I don't really have that much appetite, so I got some vitamin C for appetite. Yeah, guys. Vitamin C is 500 milligram. Yeah. Usually I buy vitamin C if I don't have appetite to boost my energy.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
Boost my energy and immune system. So sorry. So I bought blush or makeup blush. I don't even need that, but I just bought it randomly at a random store. Store basically. So in the mall. So this is the blush. It's a liquid blush, by the way. It's a liquid blush. I think I bought this for $10. $10. You have to use the American accent. $10. I bought this sunscreen from the pharmacy in the mall or the pharmacy. Yeah, this is my first time using it. I put it on, guys. I put it on my face. I don't even know. So please tell me if it's good or if it's not good. I already bought it, so. So the first I've not really used this one. I only use the other type of vitamin C, yeah, which is 50 plus. I think that was UVF. I don't know. This is 50 plus SPF. I don't know the difference, guys. And this is for sensitive skin, and I have sensitive skin. So yeah, this is my first time using it. It is for family, like kids can use it, parents can use it, adults can use it, exactly. And it's a milk sunscreen. milk moisturizing sunscreen, moisturizing sun milk. Yeah, it's on my face. I don't know. It's very cheap. I bought it, I think, $8. $8. If I'm not making mistake, $8. I did take receipt. $8 because I only bought these two at the pharmacy, at the drugstore in the mall. Yeah, I bought these at a random store in the. And I bought these at Sephora. Got this. This is a gift from someone that I know. Basically, I have the pack inside. The boy, like, I think yesterday, so. I just said, let me just show it, guys. Let me just share my opinion about this. Guys, this spray, I kid you not. This spray, the perfume has a very strong scent,
This,
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to
It
find
does. It does.
it's a very strong fragrance, yeah. Fragrance. It's a very strong. They have a very strong scent. Yeah. I don't really like it like that. Honestly, I don't like it like that. But yeah, it's very strong. I don't really like it like that. But yeah, it don't give feminine, you know. It don't give that feminine vibe. Just give casual, you know, ocean. If you know ocean, you know, like, if you really be like, if you really know about ocean, you know that, yeah, this ocean vibe is not give alcohol. Like, I think there is a lot of alcohol in it because it's really strong. I have alcohol in it. I think it's the name is come in evidence. It's not my thing. But if you like those that love ocean, those that love those kind of, you know, strong fragrance, strong perfume, you can get it, yeah. But no, I won't buy it. Yeah, it was a gift, so I can't complain. So yeah, that's basically all that I got from stuff.
And
That was basically all that I got from Sephora, guys. So my next love, damn. To those that are still watching, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting very interesting vlog on my YouTube channel, and you need to follow me on TikTok too. Yeah, I post some stuff on TikTok too. So thank you so much for watching. Yeah, bye.